Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's been like 2 months since I put any content out on this channel, and the analytics are still rising in my opinion. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been commenting, liking, sharing, all the good engagement I've been getting, all the subscribers. It's not a lot, but we are definitely building a dope community inside of this space. As you guys can see, I have upgraded the business. I bought me an embroidery machine, so now I do laser engraving, print on demand with t-shirt merch, and embroidery. So this video is about how to embroider a t-shirt. So I want to jump right into exactly what I do to be successful with embroidering t-shirts. So here's an example right here. Actually, two examples. Here's a t-shirt that I embroidered right here. So this font size is 0.75, so it's not micro font. As you can see, it's pretty clean. On a t-shirt as well. Here's another one that I'm offering in sage color with cream text. It say healing after heartbreak. This is another one. It's on a 100% gilded cotton t-shirt right here. And I think one of the key things that I've done to successfully make this happen on t-shirts is the backing, right? So I think the main reason why people mess their t-shirts up when embroidering, they got the wrong backing on there. I use 100% Cutaway, not Tearaway, because t-shirts are thinner, right? So we're going to get right into it. Let's do it. All right, I already got my font and everything sized up on my machine, so I'm going to show you guys this. Give me 1 second. So this is Cutaway. This is not Tearaway. I already got it hooped up and everything with the mighty hoop. This is a 11 by 13 mighty hoop with the magnets in it. I'm gonna slide this on here. Slide this on here, and I'm gonna do a quick trace real fast to make sure I'm in the right spot. Using my number 5 needle. Okay, that's good. We're gonna center that. Cancel it. I'm gonna run it up just a little bit to get it more closer to the collar. I didn't do a good job at measuring this out just for the YouTube purposes, so the alignment might be off. Who cares? I just want to show you guys exactly how this come out with embroidering a t-shirt. All right, should work. Hit ready, put it in embroidery mode, and we should be fine. I already oiled the bobbin up. The tension should be okay. Let's see. Here you go. Oh, I didn't change that needle. I got it on 1. You know what? I'm going to just run it with 1. I wanted to do that in black. I'm sorry. I'm going to just run it on 1. It is what it is. Whatever. Another thing, I had the speed down because I was doing some micro embroidering with a 65/9 needle. I'm going to bump the speed up. I'm sorry. Let's run up to 650. Should be good. And while that's embroidering, I'm gonna turn the camera off, and when it's done, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looks. I'm gonna show you this real fast. This font right here, this is 0.75. I did another t-shirt that was 0.50, so, you know, a ½ an inch. Those run perfect with the 7511. So I'm thinking rule of thumb, as it sits right now, maybe I'm wrong, but in my experience, if you're going to embroider any font size that's smaller than 0.50, use a 65/9 needle. Hopefully this racks focus. So 65/9 needle, this is for any font size that's smaller than 0.50. This is the 7511, so anything from 0.50 on up, use the standard needle. All right, so the embroidery machine is done. It just finished up. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is a simple font that I designed, and I'm adding to my my shop. So check this out. See if my camera rack focus on that. Super clean text, super clean lines. It's not messed up at all. 1 layer of Cutaway in there, mentally in the book. So it's something I designed for the book readers. I'm offering this in tan, black, and sage. But yeah, look at that. So I feel like the t-shirts I've messed up, it was the back, and I wasn't using Cutaway. I was using like Tearaway, you know. And sometimes I put 3 layers of Tearaway and it still wouldn't work. Just one layer of Cutaway is what I use for this. Check it out. I'll show you guys. Just one layer, and I could have sized that down to save on it, but I'm still going to use that. Just one layer. Super clean text. Super clean font. So if you guys having trouble embroidering t-shirts, I use the standard 7511 needle with the 40 weight thread, and I use 0.75 font size for this, and it embroidered out perfect. So like I said, I'm going to add this to my shop. If you guys do want to purchase it, it's going to be down below. I offer it in tan black. Look at that. Mentally in the book. And tan black and sage is what I'm trying to say. Check it out. Mentally in the book. So, again, this video is for people that's been having trouble embroidering t-shirts. I used one layer of Cutaway and it worked just fine. My speed was 650 on the machine with regular tension on the bobbin, and the rest of the machine I didn't have to do anything too crazy. Again, it came out amazing. Like, comment, share this video. Watch it again. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. I typically get to questions and comments pretty fast. Again, thanks for watching this video. Be safe. Until next time. Later.